That was a bad clap. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and welcome back to another review. बहुत time हो गया. I'm not going to explain why. I'm just back. ठीक है? अच्छा. मुझे hand infection हो गया था, थोड़ा सा बुखार हो गया था, and I got complacent. So we're back. I want to start very quickly. I want to talk about a house that I've barely talked about. I've only reviewed one other fragrance from them. Like, I recently bought like 3 more, and this is one of them. This is a perfume that I use the OG of quite a bit. It's one that I'm very, very familiar with, and it's one I really like. And I think it's one of the best for the upcoming summer जो है जो अभी समझ चल रहा है. अभी समझ के लिए ये बहुत बहुत अच्छा परफ्यूम है. तो हाँ, ये है Blanc Force by Perama. ये है impression of Chanel's Allure Homme Edition Blanche. If you are a friend of mine that watches these, some of you are from like my genuine childhood friends, you know that I used to wear this all the time, and it's one of my beloved fragrances. So, let's get into it. अच्छा तो essentially जो ये perfume है, I do genuinely think it's one of the best for summers. I just got this and I've already used at least like a solid 3 to 4 ml, having had it for only a week. Whether I've been as for daily wear कर रहा हूँ आजकल. अच्छा, this is his impression of Chanel's Allure Homme Edition Blanche. Allure Homme Edition Blanche, I think, is one of the best Chanel fragrances of all time. I definitely think it's better than BDC. And essentially, जो इसकी scent profile है, it's very, very wearable all year round. क्योंकि it's light, it's airy, it's musky, it's refreshing, but later on it has this nice vanillic sweetness. Woods काफ़ी हैं, इसमें aromatics काफ़ी हैं जो थोड़े से heavy हैं. But overall, everything is very light, very breezy, very easy to wear. Genuinely one of the easiest to wear fragrances of all time. I think this might be just one of the easiest fragrances to wear all time. The easiest fragrance to wear of all time. और मैं इसमें स्टैंड करूंगा क्योंकि ये है लाइक कभी भी पहन सकते हैं. यू कैन वेयर दिस all the way to a formal dinner, to the gym. It's okay for both of those places. शुरू में we start out with quite a bit of lemon. लेमन शुरू में थोड़ा जेस्टी होता है, थोड़ा सा स्पार्कलिंग होता है, काफ़ी ब्राइट होता है, एंड हल्का सा फ्रूटीनेस भी है इसमें. फ्रूटीनेस वो भी सिट्रस टाइप फ्रूटीनेस. देयर इज समथिंग लाइक अ लैवेंडर थिंग गोइंग ऑन ओवर हियर, बट इट्स वेरी इन द बैकग्राउंड एंड इट्स वेरी क्वाइट. मैं ज़्यादा नोट्स पढ़ के नहीं बताऊंगा आपको, लेकिन हल्का सा वैसा फील आता है ओपनिंग में एटलीस्ट. ओपनिंग के बाद हार्ट में द लेमन इज स्टिल अलाइव, और हार्ट में ऑफकोर्स थोड़ा सा बेस निकल आता है. तो व्हेन यू गेट टू दैट पॉइंट, हल्का सा जो वनीला आता है, it mixes with the lemon and it becomes like a lemon meringue pie. I wore this fragrance for 2 years पहले and I never came to that conclusion on my own. लेकिन अभी मैंने ये वाला खरीदा और मैंने थोड़ी सी रिव्यूज ऐसी यूट्यूब पे देखी थी, लोगों के ओपिनियंस देखे थे, तो आई हर्ड लेमन मेरैंग पाई अलॉट. मैं कह रहा था लेमन मेरैंग पाई एंड लिवर एडिशन ब्लांच ऐसा तो नहीं था. आई स्मेल्ड दिस एंड आई एम लाइक ओके. अगेन दिस कम्स टू द पॉइंट कि ये ऑल ईयर राउंड के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है क्योंकि ये फ्रेश है, वुडी है, स्वीट है और हल्का सा गोरमॉन्ड है. नॉट लाइक अ हैवी लाइक गोरमॉन्ड लाइक अ स्लाइस ऑफ केक और कैरमल or a really heavy dense vanilla, but it's easy. Everything about this fragrance is really, really easy. When we get to the base, I get a lot of cedarwood, and wo bhi very fresh, crispy, slightly citrusy cedarwood, and lots of vanilla. Vanilla is not there in the opening, it's there in the heart, just enough to give you that feel, and it's present in the base. So, I really, really do like this one. And I think I like it because of the vanilla especially. मैंने recently एक चीज़ पढ़ी थी, why do people like the scent of vanilla so much? So this is going to be a bit funny but also intriguing and interesting. Scientists did some study जिधर आप जब when you're like an infant or a baby or a toddler and you drink milk from a very young age, your mother would breastfeed you maybe as well, and scent components in vanilla share a lactonic feel that milk has. So there is not a single person on this earth that genuinely dislikes vanilla. No one dislikes vanilla. Everybody likes vanilla because it's a remembrance of like something that was very comforting at one point in our lives, and it still is to some people. I drink a lot of milk, like I drink like a liter of milk every single day. But I just wanted to share that, and this is a very good representation of that. It's a very masculine fragrance. At the same time, it's also a very unisex fragrance. I think it largely depends on skin chemistry. क्योंकि मेरे स्किन पे ऑब्वियसली मैस्कुलिन निकल आएगा. इफ यूर अ मैन, आपके स्किन पे भी मैस्कुलिन निकल आएगा. इफ यूर अ वुमन, you'll probably get a lot more of the vanilla because women's skin react much better to sweeter notes और citrus notes थोड़े tame हो जाते हैं, बहुत light हो जाते हैं, but still present. तो Allure Homme Edition Blanche, Allure Everybody Edition Blanche, मैं इसको ये नाम दूंगा. हाँ. अच्छा, what really surprised me about this one is यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है this is an extrait de parfum, 30% concentration से ऊपर है. I am a guy that hates high concentrations. मेरा जो खुद का brand है, I keep low concentrations in all my perfumes. I did not expect this to have this much clarity, this much of an open scent profile, and this much smoothness with something that was probably like a 12 to 18% eau de parfum at 30%. So scent profile actually improves on a couple of things. The lemon in this one, from what I remember, it's more clear and smooth. It's less sharp. In the original, it is a bit sharp. The vanilla was pretty weak in the original. That's why I didn't really comment on that lemon meringue pie thing in the first place. But here it's very definitive क्योंकि concentration बढ़ी तो vanilla भी बढ़ा है. So even the scent profile, surprisingly, I think this is better than the original. As for performance, longevity, and projection, all that stuff, it's a monster. इस गर्मी में अभी 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस है, मैं जिम जाता हूँ, मैं बाहर घूमता हूँ, आई एम इन द सन अ लॉट, and this gave me like a solid 6 hours, 7 hours of performance. On my clothes, it was there all day, literally 12 hours, all day it was there. And that's very remarkable for a fragrance जो इतना light और इतना citrusy और fresh कहलाता है. Fresh perfume से आप इतना expect नहीं करेंगे, especially French fresh perfumes. They don't ever last long, but have to give this one props where it deserves them. इसकी performance काफ़ी heavy है. तो हाँ, that's Blanc Force by Parama. I do recommend this to everybody. This is one I'm going to be wearing a lot this summers. And yeah, that's it for today. I think इसकी price अभी discount पे it's like 2100. Normally 2700 का होता है. Which for that price, it has a nice presentation, very clean labeling, very clean sticker, and it's done professionally. I like this sticker. जिसमें सारा information लिखा हुआ है. I appreciate these little things in packaging especially. And it came in a nice box. It really did. So, that's all for today. Thank you very, very much for watching this video. I am back. अब नहीं छोड़ेंगे हम. अब मेरे पास एक इश्यूज था, इश्यूज खत्म हो चुका है. See you all soon. खुदा हाफिज़.